Located right here on Promenade des Lauriers in the West End Hotel, you will find the art gallery Coté Créations. Beautiful, beautiful artists from all over the world and local ones. But most of all, you'll get to meet the artists.
Concept of the gallery, it's an artist-run gallery. So it means that I'm an artist myself, and all the artists that are permanent in the gallery, which we are 7, are all giving 2 days a month to take care of the gallery and to welcome the people, and they also paint on site here. I have many artists that are local professional artists, like Michel Normando, who is well known here in the region of Mont-Tremblant. He's a figurative painter, paints a lot outside almost all the time, and even in the winter when it's very cold. I also have Lynn Beauclair, who's from Sainte-Sophie. Lynn is a figurative painter too. I have André Chartrand. She is a painter from Val-David. Her style is fauvisme, is very colorful. I have also a sculptor in metals. He is from Ottawa. His name is Cairn Connan. Sculptor from Mont-Tremblant, who is Michel Lajeunesse, a very well-known sculptor. I also have my own artwork here. I'm known to paint the sky with trees and the leaves falling. I've been painting this style for 18 years now. It's very high and wide, so people will have a nice experience just walking through the art.